In a kingdom far, far away, a noble lady named Elara resided. She was known for her grace, wisdom, and courage, a beacon of light in a world often shrouded in darkness. One day, a lion, once feared by all, sought audience with Elara. The lion, though fearsome, had lost his pride and was in need of guidance. Elara, with a heart full of compassion, agreed. The lion, with heavy steps, entered Elara's chambers. He spoke of his troubles, of how his once mighty roar had faded, replaced by echoes of self-doubt. Elara listened, her eyes filled with empathy. "Fear not, noble lion," she said, her voice resonating with wisdom. "Your roar was never in your teeth, but in your heart. It was your courage that made you feared." The lion, though confused, found solace in her words. He ventured into the forest, seeking to reclaim his roar. Days turned into weeks, and the lion faced trials and tribulations. One day, a beast challenged him, its roar echoing through the forest. The lion, remember Elara's words, stood tall. He looked deep into his heart and roared. The forest trembled, the echoes of his roar filling the air. The beast, taken aback, retreated. The lion's roar had returned, not as a symbol of fear, but as a testament to his courage. He had reclaimed his pride, not by force, but by finding the strength within himself. Elara watched the lion's triumph from afar, a small smile gracing her lips. She knew that the lion had not only reclaimed his roar, but also learned the true meaning of courage. In the end, the lion returned to Elara, his roar echoing through her chambers. He thanked her, his eyes filled with gratitude. Elara, with a warm smile, reminded him that courage was not a gift given, but a strength found within. And so, the lady and the lion became an inspiration to all, a tale of courage, wisdom, and the power of self-discovery. The kingdom flourished, and the lion, once feared, became a symbol of hope and resilience. The end.